Today, important topic is operators in Java. Not only Java, the operators are important in C, C++, Python, and Java. The all programming languages contains the basic concepts that is called the operators. Okay, generally the programmer wants to do some operations in the program. For example, the programmer can wants to perform addition of two numbers. Want to perform addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers means how can you do it? Just by using this symbol. Okay, you perform task using this symbol. Using this symbol the perform the task. Okay, this symbol is called the operator. Okay, the general definition is operator. An operator is a symbol that perform an operation. Okay, this is called the operator definition. An operator is a symbol that perform an operation. Okay, suppose example we'll take example a plus b. In a plus b, the plus symbol is the operator. The b called the operand, and a called the is also operand. Okay, a b we call also a comma b we call also variables called as the operands. The operator, the plus is called the operator. The operator perform on the operands, two operands. Okay, this is called the operator. Operator is a symbol that perform the some operations, is called the operators. Now operators in Java, the 8 types are there. Okay, the 8 types means first one, the operators in Java: arithmetic operator, unary operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, boolean operator, binary operator or ternary operator, and conditional operators. Okay, operators are generally 8 operator. Today we will discuss about the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means the general functionality of operators. The fundamental operators. General means the fundamental operators. Fundamental means the basic operators. Basic operator means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operators. Okay, now this is the fundamental operators of the arithmetic operation. For example, we will take how to perform this operator. Arithmetic operators are performed. Take the two variables. First one, a equal to b, and 13 stored into the a, 5 stored into the b. We perform addition operation. First addition means like you do like this also. The result action. Okay, first a plus b operator. We are also write operator. A plus b, a comma b variables are already we taken. A plus b, a already stored 13, b equal to what is the value? 18. Okay, not consider like this, 18. Okay, next 18 is the result. Now a minus b, a minus b means 13 minus 5, 8 result. Okay, next a into b అంటే a multiplication operators are we are used. 13 into 5, 60. Okay, 5 65. Okay, now a division by b means where we consider 13 divided by 5 means 13 divided by 5 means 13 5. How many times? 2 times. 10 3. 3 means 6 0. 30. 30. 2.6. Take this one, we want to coefficient. Okay, now the modulus operator. What is the modulus operator? In modulus operator we are taking 13 by 5. 13 by 5 means 13. Suppose 13 by modulus operator 5. 13 by 5 means 5, 10, 2. Okay, 3 is the remainder. Remainder only take the modulus operator. Okay, this is the especially using the arithmetic operators. 5 operators is the basic operators in arithmetic operators. Thank you.